for the year 2024 goes to First Best Feature Film, Kalki 2898, that is 2898 AD. And second Best Feature Film, Potel. Third Best Feature Film, Lucky Bhaskar. Feature film on national integration, communal harmony and social uplift. Film, Committee Kurol. Goes to Committee Kurol. Best Children's Film, 35, Chinna Kadakadu. Feature film on environment, heritage, history goes to Razakar. Best debut film director, Sri Yadu Vamshi for Yedu Vamshi for Committee Kurol. Best wholesome entertainment film, Dr. M. Prabhakar Reddy, Uttama Prajadarana Chitram, I, my friends Andi.